instructional video for lab project number 3, pennies. Your first step after watching this video is going to be to grab your tech materials. You're going to need your iPad to record the video. You're going to need your iRecord stand, and you're going to need your iMovie app open and ready. After you have your tech materials, you're going to need to get your lab safety gear, your goggles, your gloves, and your apron. Pay special attention to this one because, as you'll notice on the rubric under the lab section, you will not receive points for the lab if every member of your group does not have their safety gear on throughout the lab. So that part is really key to earning credit for completing this lab. Okay, after you have your safety gear on and ready, you're able to grab your materials for the lab. So for this one, you're going to need a squeeze bottle, a spray bottle like we have in class, 30 ounces of vinegar, an experiment plate, which is just the paper plates we have in the back that are clean, 3 paper towels, and 4 pennies. What you're going to do is you're going to start by laying down your experiment plate and put 2 of the paper towels on top. Lay all 4 pennies separate so they're not touching one another, head side up for 2 and tail side up for 2. You're going to take your spray bottle, insert the vinegar, and spray a good healthy layer over the pennies. You're going to give that 20 minutes. I think this would be a great spot to maybe use time-lapse photography that we talked about last week. Just a really good time for that. After that time period, you're going to spray the pennies again and make any observations you notice. If you would like, and if you have time, you can wait another time period to see even more effects and make additional observations. When you're making observations throughout the lab, feel free to discuss it, but this by no means has to be your final conclusions. You can still take time separate from that to make conclusions about what you observed and what that means as far as a chemical or physical reaction. This one is one that will take a little bit more time, so you will have time in between to be working on editing the first portion of your video or how you're going to support your conclusions and deciding whether it's chemical fit or physical change. All right, guys, good luck.